Today, Ollie and Kit are heading to the pond. So many interesting creatures live there. Let's see who they'll meet.
Kit, do you hear that? Quack, quack, quack! Who's that by the water?
Whoa, look! Something's swimming across the pond, leaving ripples behind.
Let's tiptoe closer and see who's swimming over there.
Look, Ollie! It has a yellow beak and orange feet.
Kids, have you guessed who it is?
Ta-da! It's a duck!
Hi, duck! Wow, not only can you fly, you can swim too!
Haha, Ollie, ducks are great swimmers. They even have webbed feet.
Shh, Kit, what's that sound? Croak, croak, croak!
I think it's coming from that big green leaf on the water.
That's a lily pad, and someone's sitting under it.
Oh, look! It jumped right into the water. Splash!
Kids, have you guessed who it is?
Ta-da! It's a frog!
What a jump! Just like a real diving champion.
Ollie, frogs are the best jumpers at the pond.
Kit, look! The water in the pond is sparkling.
It's true. Something flashed under the water. Over there, by the reeds.
Let's quietly walk over and peek into the water.
Look, Ollie. Silvery with a little tail. And whoosh, back under the water.
Kids, have you guessed who it is?
Ta-da! It's a fish.
What a little rascal! Hiding away without even saying goodbye.
Ollie, fish don't talk. They just swim and hide.
Duckling. Little frog. Little fish.
See you again soon. And where we'll go next time is still a secret.